Hey y'all, it's Cammy J Official. Welcome to my video. It's Cammy J Official, so let's start the show. To my subscribers, listen, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. To anyone that is new here, welcome. I do natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle videos. And if you happen to like this video, I hope that you would consider giving it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. But let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright y'all, so today's video is going to be a mini twist collab video. I'm collabing with my girl Nelia Bedelia. Please check out her video about what to do if your mini twists actually turn out to be a fail. Like, listen, we've all been there with hairstyles that like just did not turn out the way that we wanted it to turn out. So I will have the link to her channel in the description box. So again, please go ahead and support her. She's super dope, super humble, and great. So to install my mini twist today for this style, my hair has been washed and it's been conditioned and I let it air dry overnight. For the styling products, I'm going to use Melanin Hair Care's leave-in conditioner and also using their twist and style cream to achieve my mini twist today. So I didn't have time to like do my hair the same day that I washed it, but it's okay because I'm going to show you exactly how to install this style if your hair hasn't been, freshly soaked from being in the shower. So first thing, I parted the hair and now I'm going to be using one of my favorite styling tools, which is the long spray bottle. I will have links in the description box for pretty much everything that I'm going to be using, but I'm going to take like 2 pumps of that Melanin Hair Care leave-in conditioner and begin to work it into my hair. If you've ever seen any of my other natural hair videos, guys, you know that this is like a staple thing that I always do. I take the creams and work it into my hair and then I follow it up with Old Faithful. Shout out to y'all who use the white tooth comb because it's old school, but it works. And then I'm going to smooth my hair with this wet brush. So just to make sure that I have no tangles and make the style as sleek as possible. Now with that Melanin Hair Care styling twisting cream, I'm going to begin to work that in my hair just like I did the leave-in conditioner. I am going for a mini twist look, so that's why I'm parting that small section in 2. And just pulling the hair in a downward motion to begin setting the twist. So this is one of my favorite styles to wear, period, anyway, in general. I'm like a one-trick pony when it comes to natural hair. Like, I'm limited, y'all. I'm limited on the number of styles that I can do, but I really believe that like in my natural hair journey, simple is better, and that's worked really well for me. So that is why I just love doing twists and twist outs in general. But for this mini twist, you just want to make sure that you take your time, work the product through every section of the hair. As you can see, as I'm twisting, I'm also pulling to make sure that I get rid of any type of, bumps or lumps that may be present in the hair shaft at the time. And then I'm basically going to, at the end of the hair, to make sure my twists don't unravel, I'm going to take the end section, twist it around my finger to create that corkscrew curl that you see there at the end. And that's something that really has helped my twist to kind of like stay. I don't know if you've ever experienced this before, but sometimes when you twist your hair, sometimes like the ends of your hair don't really cooperate the way that you want them to, and the ends of your hair can kind of begin to like unravel when you really want that style to stay. So that's why I just do that extra thing, that extra twisting with my finger at the end of these twists. And because these twists are like so small, they're probably going to be a little bit more prone to unraveling. So that's why I just want to take extra care to, take my time to do the style, work my fingers through, remove any type of lumps or bumps that may be present in the hair shaft, and then definitely make sure I pay attention, to the ends of my hair to make sure that I'm getting everything as smooth and as sleek as possible when it comes to installing the style, guys. So this is pretty much how this one section is looking. As you can see, the twists are pretty small, but they look nice and shiny. They also look very hydrated. Again, when you are installing any type of style that requires you to use water, like mini twist, I like to install my twist on wet hair. Some people like to install them on dry hair. Like if you want your style to be more elongated, if you know, don't want as much shrinkage, then, you know, you can do this style on dry hair. But for me, I prefer to do it on wet hair because for some reason, when I do styles on wet hair or hair that's been very well moisturized, the style just lasts like a long time for me. So that's why I'm just focusing on saturating every section with water and using water-based products. The water-based leave-in as well as the water-based cream styler really does a great job of maintaining styles for me. So again, once you put the products in your hand, you're going to just want to make sure that you work them into your hands, gently detangle. Again, this smoothing that I'm doing with the brush, this technique, you don't have to do it. I just do it because it makes the twist like look so good and so smooth. So again, just taking a little bit of that Melanin Hair Care styling cream, I'm going to begin to work that into the section and then start my twist. Now, one thing I can say, y'all, about Melanin Hair Care, and I did do a review on the product line, is a little bit does go a long way. Like, I don't know about you, but girl, I am a heavy-handed natural. Like, some hair products that I buy, I look at the jar and I'm like, oh my God, it's gone already. Like, did I really need to use that much product? So I am trying to train myself and be more cognizant of how I use my hair care products. So for this, you're going to see as I'm doing this mini twist set that, you know, you don't really need to like overly saturate the hair or weigh the hair down with the product. You do want your hair to have, you know, some bounce and some vibrance so that way you can move your hair. You don't want your hair to be, you know, too weighed down with a whole bunch of products. So that's why I'm really kind of trying to make sure I'm using a good enough amount of product, but not too much. Like y'all know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be repeating the same exact steps and the same exact process, guys, throughout my head to achieve this mini twist style. The one thing I can say I love about mini twists is they look so good, and also they last a long time. And I am definitely a proponent of protective styling, especially y'all, protective styling where you use your own hair. For me and my hair, it just leads to less breakage, and I just came off of like cutting 10 to 11 inches of my hair off and regrowing my hair over the last year. So I'm not trying to go through that again. I'm trying to do what works. So I definitely recommend trying mini twists, especially like it's getting warmer outside. You know, you want to be able to like wear your hair in a style that won't be too much hassle, that you won't really have to worry about. Mini twist is definitely where it's at when it comes to, you know, styles like that for the summertime. So you can also make your twist a lot smaller, because some people, you know, may consider this mini, and then some people like to do like micro twist. I mean, like they be getting 5 sections, 6 sections in the little bit of parting that I'm doing. So if you want to do micro twist as well, this technique can be repeated so that way you can install micro twist in your hair, and those will last, I think, even longer than the mini twist will. So the mini twist is a great protective style. It makes sure that you're not over manipulating your hair, because you can wear it so many different ways. Like you can wear it up, down, half up, up, down, wear it in different ponytails and things of that nature. So that's why I really like doing the mini twist. So again, I'm going to continue to repeat the process until I get to the desired results or the desired look of my mini twist. So if you are wondering like if the white residue from what I'm using is going to disappear, it is. Like you can even see here as I'm showing you how the mini twists have turned out in these sections, the white residue is actually drying and drying clear. So you want to make sure too that you're using products that moisturize. You can use a gel as well, guys. If you're more of like a gel type person, you can do that instead of using a cream. But this is how my entire head of hair looks with the mini twist. As you can see, they do look neat, and I do have a lot of definition, just showing you the top there and how you can kind of like wear the style. I really enjoyed doing this look, and I know that it's going to last. So your girl is very happy to have installed these mini twists in my hair. So I showed you how the mini twists look when they were wet, but I definitely wanted to come back the next day and show you how my mini twists look dry. Just look at that, guys. They are so shiny. They are so full, even though I did them small because I do have thicker natural hair. So just keep in mind your twist may look different just depending on your hair texture and your hair density, but I do say go ahead and try mini twists. But guys, comment below and let me know if you are a twist fan or if you like mini twists and you're going to try them this summer. But guys, if you did like this video, I hope that you would give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and then hitting the notification bell. Until next time, guys, bye.